Welcome to my video and review of Thornaby Town Centre. So we got farm foods. This used to be Lidl before. We've got this massive car park. There's McDonald's there, a drive through, and then there's an Asda there. It's a petrol station. Then we've got a post office on the corner. Then we've got a big Shawarma's takeaway, which is closed at the moment. Then there's a KFC next door to it. Then there's a Ramsden's. Next to that there's TD Morton Opticians. Then we've got an Istanbul Barber, and then we've got Indigo Sun tanning place. I'm going to try and walk you through all of this as my equipment's playing up. So as we come along over here, as we go into the shopping precinct, there's Siesta there. Then there's a pub, I've forgotten what it's called, it's probably on the other side, but that's being taken down. I think it's being demolished at the moment. Right, here we go. We've got a Ladbrokes here. We've got a William Hill, there's a Halifax, there's a Virgin Money, there it is, a Golden Eagle. That's a pub and a hotel as well, but because of the various cracks that appeared on it, subsidence, they've decided to eventually, they closed it, and now they're pulling it down. So I'm at the Pavilion Mall in Thornaby. And here we go, boys. We've got three cash machines around here as well. There's an empty Poundland. This is how big the boys is. Quite large shop, and I think it's got a store. You can go upstairs in this one as well. There's a barber shop. So this is how big the Poundland was. Previous to that it was a pound stretcher, I think. Then we've got Teesside Hospice. We've got Leisureland Casino Slots. They've got several shops around the area dotted. They've got one in Middlesbrough, they've got two in Middlesbrough, they got this one, and then another couple. So here we go, this is Coupons. And this is Iceland. So as you can see, Iceland is a big shop. Then on that side we've got Card Factory, and there's Simply Furnishings, furniture for your dining room, lounge room, bedroom, mirrors, carpets, flooring and pictures, and lots more. Then we've got this walk through subway. You can go in one side and then walk out the other side with your shop. We've got Emily Nails and Beauticians. They've got a double shop. Then we've got Body Care, that's gone through in. Then on that side we've got Vinnie's Vapes, and then with Vinnie's Vapes we've got Bernardo's. Bernardo's is doing a good job, it's been doing it for years. Then we've got these two shops that are empty. Then there's Butterick Hospice. Butterick Hospice is based in Bishop Auckland, I believe. And on that side we've got a Select Furniture, then a playground, indoor play area for children. You have to pay to go in, I think. Then we've got a VPZ vape shop. We've got good old Greg's. Then we've got a library here. And then we've got a cash converter. It's only been open for a couple of months. And then this is the leisure centre entrance. And then we've got a Selfix, mobiles, buys, sells accessories, Icon's hair, then memorial for funerals and flower displays and so on. On this side we've got home bargains, and then we've got this massive Asda along there. So that's my review for Thornaby Town Centre. Let me know what you thought of it and add your comments below, because